an instant recipe made from rice flour. Today we are going to look at how ghauna is made. We will see. Let's get started with very tasty and instant recipe made from rice flour. For this you will need ingredients: rice flour, salt, water and a little oil. First of all, you have to take rice flour in a bowl. You want to take as much flour as you need. Then add salt. After adding salt, add water and I want to make a mixture. Once the mixture is ready, we will start with the recipes. The mixture should be prepared thin. If there is a thick mixture, the ghauna becomes thick and it does not taste good. So we are going to make this mixture better. So you see how the mixture is made. Do not add water all at once and a little water slowly. Do not make your mixture too thin and thick. Accordingly, let's make a mixture by adding water little by little. The flours are to be mixed properly. The mixture of rice flour should be like water. Look, our mixture is ready. Now we are going to put the frying pan or griddle pan on the gas. Once the pan is hot, oil it. Now clean the water on the griddle pan with a cloth. It takes time for the griddle pan to heat up. So let's a bit. When the griddle pan is hot enough, now soak it in oil. If there is a cloth or handkerchief, want to rotate on the griddle pan. Immediately after that, we are going to put the prepared mixture on the griddle pan. Look, this is how to make a neat omelette. Take a look. It will take you 3 to 4 minutes to cook. So we want to cover it properly. After 3 to 4 minutes, remove the lid. See, this way ghauna is formed. Now we want to change it properly. Slow down. Look at this. Many reasons for Ghauna is not good. If the Ghauna is not cooked, the oil is low, or the griddle is not right, the Ghauna will crack. So look, this is how to Ghauna is made. Now after cooking the other side for 3 to 4 minutes, this Ghauna looks ready. So we want to remove it properly and put it aside. As well the speed of the gas. That's how it will cook. It will not necessary to cook on fast gas. You once you have make this recipe, it will not be a problem next time. So look at this, instant, the kid friendly Ghauna is ready. We are going to make another Ghaune. The cloth is dipped in oil and rotated on griddle pan. Immediately after turning the oil, add the flour mixture to the griddle pan. That's way it tastes a little different to eat. When we put this mixture on the griddle pan, don't want to repeat too much. Therefore, once the flour is put on the griddle pan, my advice for you, the flour should not be put in the same place again and again, otherwise the Ghauna becomes thick and does not cook, and food is useless. So study these tips. Look at this. Our second Ghauna is getting ready. Now we want to change it properly. The other side has to be cooked after the change. Depend on gas speed. If no one is at home, the man can make the recipe. This recipe is ready in few minutes. The dish is very tasty and instantly ready. And now we are finishing this recipe here and we are going to enjoy this dish. The food tastes just as crispy as bread. If you have vegetables, chutney or onion and chili, you can eat it. Bye bye.